afternoon everyone. Today we are going to see what is mean by transitive verb, what is mean by intransitive verb. I know you will already learn it, but when I do a homework to you about the intransitive verb and transitive verb, no one did it. Why? I think you have been not taught the lesson. So again I will tell you what is mean by transitive verb, what is mean by intransitive verb. It is very easy topic. Suppose what I said, I eat. Suppose first I write I eat. What is there? I is a subject, it is a verb here, and I eat. But what? काय खातोय मी खातोय मी असं लिहिलं फक्त पण काय खातोय तुमचं सेंटेन्स कंप्लीट झालं का नो देयर इज नो सेन्स ऑफ अ सेंटेन्स हियर बट व्हेन आय राइट आय ईट अ मँगो I eat a mango. It means the sense is complete. The sentence sense is complete here. A mango is a object here. A mango is a object here. What I eat? A mango. When you ask a question by what? When you ask a question by what to the subject, you get an answer. It is a object. When the verb or when the sentence need or object to complete a sense of sentence, it called the transitive verb. What is it called? Transitive verb. Understood? When sentence require an object to receive a action, it called a transitive verb. A verb that require an object to complete the sentence or to receive the action, so it called the transitive verb. जेव्हा कधीही सेंटेन्स मध्ये ऑब्जेक्ट असेल तेव्हा त्या सेंटेन्सला काय म्हणायचं ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. ब्रिंग, carry, climb, give, heat, make, take, some are the verbs of transitive verb. Next, intransitive verb, so easy. Suppose she laughed. What I said? She laughed. She laughs. What is there? It is a subject. It is a verb. ती हसते. Okay. Sentence is incomplete here, but the sentence given as it is. She laughs. ती हसत होती. ती हसते. असं जर sentence असेल, there is no need of object. It doesn't give any object here, so it is an intransitive verb. What is it called? Intransitive verb. Means sentence or a verb used without an object. जेव्हा एखादा वर्ब विदाउट ऑब्जेक्टचा यूज केला असेल तेव्हा त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब. प्लीज सिट. व्हॉट आय सेड? प्लीज सिट. या बसा. सेंटेन्स कंप्लीट. ओके, सेंटेन्स इज कंप्लीट हियर. We can get a sense of a sentence also, but sentence is complete. There is no any object here. There is no need of any object here, so it is an intransitive verb. Understood? Okay. I or he goes to school. He goes to school. Tell me, what is this? It is a transitive or intransitive? He is a subject here, goes is a verb here, but to school, it is not an object here. To school हे प्लेस आहे बरोबर. एका प्लेस वर जाते. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉम्प्लिमेंट हियर. हे कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहे इथे, हा ऑब्जेक्ट नाही. त्यामुळे ह्या सेंटेन्स इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब मध्ये लक्षात ठेवायचं. हे सेंटेन्स कशामध्ये येतं? इंट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब मध्ये. ही गोज टू स्कूल. टू स्कूल इज नॉट अ ऑब्जेक्ट हियर. व्हॉट हे क्वेश्चन विचारलं तरी आन्सर मिळेल का? नाही. व्हॉट ही गोज, काय काय करतोय तो? नाही. जेव्हा तुम्ही व्हॉट हे क्वेश्चन विचारता तेव्हा त्या आपल्याला जो ऑब्जेक्ट मिळतो तो काय असतो? ट्रान्झिटिव्ह वर्ब असतो. ऑब्जेक्टचे दोन टाइप्स असतात, डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट अँड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. आलं लक्षात. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट and indirect object. Suppose I write a question here. एक sentence. Listen all of you. Ram give me a pen. Sorry, Ram gave me a pen. Ram is subject here. Gave is verb here. Me a pen. Rest of all is the object here. It is a transitive verb. It is a transitive verb. It confirms. But in the object there is a two type of object, direct object and indirect object. What is meant by direct object? When we get an answer by what, it is a direct object. तुम्ही what ने क्वेश्चन विचारा, त्या वर्बला सॉरी त्या सब्जेक्टला what ने क्वेश्चन विचारायचं. म्हणजे रामने मला पेन दिला. रामने मला काय दिलं? पेन. What Ram gives you? What ने ask question by what. What ने क्वेश्चन विचारायचं त्याला. What Ram gave? Ram gave a pen. So pen is a direct object. Pen is a direct object. And जेव्हा तुम्ही whose ने कोणाला दिला पेन? मला. रामने मला पेन दिला. रामने काय दिलं? पेन. काय ने क्वेश्चन, व्हाट ने क्वेश्चन विचारला. व्हाट राम गिव? पेन. सो पेन इज अ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. तो डायरेक्ट त्याच्यावर ट्रान्झिस्ट करतोय, बरोबर. आणि कोणाला दिला? मला, म्हणजे मी इज अ इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. मी इज अ इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट here. Whose? Ask question by whose. To whose give? To whose give? Me. जेव्हा whose ने क्वेश्चन विचारता जे आन्सर मिळेल ते असतं इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. आणि व्हाट ने क्वेश्चन विचारला सब्जेक्टला तुम्हाला जे आन्सर मिळतं ते असतं डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. इनडायरेक्ट अँड डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. Now I write some examples. Listen carefully. Then you can understand it easily. Some more examples we will see. Some verb act as a both transitive and intransitive verb. Some of verb act as a both transitive and intransitive verb. Suppose ran. Ran is verb here. Okay. We make a two sentence using the same verb. One of transitive, one of intransitive verb. See, Pune ran well loudly. Pune ran the bell rang loudly. The bell rang loudly. Verb is a rang here. Loudly. Bell कशी वाजली? Loudly वाजली. Loudly काय येते? Object? No. Loudly is not object. Loudly is adverb here. Loudly is a adverb here. So it is a verb. The bell rang loudly. So it is a intransitive verb. काय झाले हे? Intransitive. And the Pune rang the bell. Those I written earlier. Pune rang the bell. What Pune rang? Pune ने काय वाजवलं? बेल वाजवली. आन्सर मिळालं. काय ने किंवा व्हाट ने क्वेश्चन विचारला तुमच्या सब्जेक्टला. सब्जेक्ट काय इथं? Pune. What Pune rang? Pune rang the bell. Understood? So this rang, this verb act as here transitive verb because it needs. हे बघ कसं म्हणलं? The Pune rang. The Pune rang. You can sense the sentence? No. We can't sense the sentence. Sentence ना तुम्हाला काहीही सेन्स होत नाही. Sentence incomplete राहते. The bell rang. The bell rang. Bell वाजली. इथं sentence complete झालं तुमचं, बरोबर? हे intransitive. Without any object, sentence is complete. So it is a intransitive verb. Transitive verb, it needs a बेल वाजवली. काय वाजवली? The peon rang the bell. Peon rang the bell means its sentence needs the object to complete the sense of sentence. Understood? So it is the transitive verb. So it is the transitive verb. Understood? Next, suppose speak. Ram speaks so much loudly. Ram speaks too loudly, and Ram speaks the truth. Sentence Ram speaks. Ram बोलतोय. पण काय बोलतोय? What he talk? What he speak? What he speak? Ram speaks too loudly. Ram speaks too loudly, and Ram speaks the truth. What is verb here? Which is the verb here? Speaks. Here is a speak. Here is a speak. दोन्ही सेंटेन्स मध्ये वर्ब कुठला आहे? Speaks. In both sentences the verb is the same here, but the action is different. Action is different. Ram speaks too loudly. Ram खूप मोठ्याने बोलतोय. Ram speaks the truth. Ram खरं बोलतोय. Here Ram speaks too loudly. Loudly is the adverb here. It is not object here. So it is the intransitive verb. It is intransitive. Ram speaks the truth. Ram काय बोलतोय? Ram खरं बोलतोय. What Ram speaks? Ram speaks the truth. So it is the object. Means this sentence need a object to complete sense of the sentence. So it is the transitive. Understood? So all of you, those sentences I already given to you. I am sending you a photos or screenshot of one examples. There is so much examples. Identify what is this transitive verb and intransitive verb. If you not have a this photo in your group today, I will send it again. You understand it, learn this topic and solve.